After driving 800 miles by car and 30 minutes by plane to the middle of nowhere, we finally arrive at the cabin. With 1 week to fish, let's fire up those John boats, zip down the lake, let's catch some fish, let's do it. That was sick.
Nope, I got one.
There's fish. There's one.
Look at the colors on the beautiful gold walleye, or golden guy, vertical jigging. Not that bad fish at all, baby. Let's go.
All right, guys. So it's a little loud right now, but we are going through this place. It's another lake next to the one that our cabin's on, but it's only accessible when the water's high. Now, rumor is the water is high right now, but like we might have to like bring the motors all the way up and then get the paddles to then get through there. But we're making this journey, like look how close we are to the shore right here. Look at this, it gets real narrow up in here. And I guess they'll see it first before we do, but the big camera probably won't be out because we'll be probably either picking up the boats a little bit or just using the paddles to push ourselves through. So we're fishing a new secluded lake. Rumor is there's big walleye in there, there's big pike, big everything. So I mean, it's safe to say we're all pumped. We're all pumped. So we need to catch some big fish. Danny almost had a really big one last night that we lost at the boat and we didn't get it, but I'm gonna put this down and I'm gonna film you guys on the chesty of us getting through. Let's catch some fish and hopefully we have a hell of a day. Let's do it. They killed the motors. All right, she's pulled out. Time to grab a paddle and get to work. This is, if we can get through all the way through this would be sick. Yeah, this looks awesome. Then we turn his left. That was really nice, Danny. That was really nice. Just putting the oar on this rock and pushing. Then we stay leftmost we can. Oh my God, what a chore that was. Jeez, that took about 30 minutes. Yeah, I've been filming the whole time. All right, guys, we're out of breath, but we made it to the new lake. Holy shit, I'm sweating like crazy. We start back here. I don't even know if it looks great. You got one? No way, really? Oh my gosh. How's it feel, all right? Fish though.
It's a fish.
What is it? Is that an eye?
Yeah.
Nice eye? Okay. Fish here, baby. There's fish here. All right, Danny. First fish of the day, secluded lake. No big camera worthy yet, right? You know what? I mean, it's a keeper, but we're not keeping yet, but secluded lake, first fish. Let's go, baby. Maybe we do go around that corner where they went. I got a fish, though. I have a fish. Let's go, baby. It feels like an eye all day. Throwing that crankbait. The rod I didn't think I was going to pick up this trip. Something different, though. Ooh, that's a nice eye, dude. We need a net because there's a lot of hugs. I got the net, though. You keep rigging up there, son. It's a nice eye right there, kid. Okay, my first fish of the day on the new secluded lake. We thought pike would be back here, not as grassy as we thought. Actually, not grassy at all, but a lot of good wind was coming in here, and it was pretty good. It was pretty deep, so I decided to throw a crankbait, look for some walleyes or maybe a pike in this deep water, and got a nice one here. It's either side. It's probably just under 20, but still. Nice little eye. We're not eating any today, so we're gonna put her back, but we're probably gonna change it up, go to a grassier spot where we can get shallow and try to get some big pike. So we got the walleyes out of the way. Let's go for some pike, boys. Let's do it. Oh! Keep it in there. That was sick. The GoPro definitely saw that. He literally blew up on that. There could very well. Oh, I just got hit for sure. I think I have one. I do have one. I got one. I'm not sure, it doesn't feel very big. It's just a pike. All right, so 2 dink pike right here. Okay. There's gotta be a big one lingering, right? I mean, obviously, the thing is tiny as ever, but we're found the right species. It's 2 in like a minute. Definitely found the right species. Dan, it's 10 feet right here, and then right where we just were over there, it jumps up to like 2. So not only is wind blowing in, and we all, oh, he took it at the boat. That was sick. That was sick. Oh, did you see that? No, it was a different pike. It wasn't very big. I just dipped my lure in the water and something just came out of nowhere and took it. I had him on first. Oh, he took it again. Okay, that's insane. That's insane. I literally had, did you see my pole bending? I had him on.
Yeah.
He wasn't big. That was nuts. That was nuts. Dude, he tried to take it again. I got another one that came to the boat. Oh, he just tried to take it. Did you see that? Look at my spoon. He just came up twice. He's right behind it. That one, guys, I had another one try to hit twice at the boat. That one was probably, again, it's just a small one. Dude, what's going on in here? We got one following. You got one following. You got him? Oh, I saw him eat that. You need a net for that? No? Dude, every Casper, they're chasing us. What the hell, dude? This is nuts. I have not seen this many follows in one spot. There's one. Oh, this one's pulling drag. This one seems better, Dan. Well, yeah, get it ready just in case. This one did pull drag in the beginning, but now he's kind of letting up. He could have just been a small guy pulling a lot of drag, which I think that's what it was. Ah, yeah. I mean, that's the biggest one, but it's not big at all. Okay. He slammed it. It ripped my drag for a little bit. Let me get us in a better position real quick. There she is. Nothing crazy. Nothing to get the big camera out about. Nice one, though. See you, buddy. Got him? Nice one? What are we thinking? That's actually kind of nice. It's probably your biggest. That's probably in the 20s somewhere. All right, we're getting bigger. We're getting much bigger here. Wait, oh, that's actually a decent one. That's like 20 something. He's right there. You see his face? He's coming out of the water for it. Look at this. I'm gonna put it on top of the water. That was sick. That was so sick. Guys, he swiped it like 4 times. Talk about a hook set, jeez. All right, see, it's a little guy, but when they come up to the boat, and we've had so many follows pretty much of everything is this size. It's crazy. Put that one back, she was bleeding a bit. But you know what? That's another fish for us. And I still don't think we can even leave the spot yet. It's too many fish here. 6 feet right here. Oh, I just got bumped. There's one. There's one. We got that double going, baby. Ooh, that's a nicer one, Dan. That's actually a nice one. That's actually a nice one, buddy. Nicer, I should say. Yeah, all right. Me and Dan got a little doubles going. Safe to say, I think we found the pike. Yeah, a little better. Look at this one, Dan. Not too bad right here.
Oh, yeah, that is good.
This one, we're definitely getting better. We're finding fish. I mean, we got a little double up going. We'll put this one back. We'll save the big cam for something special. But, I mean, it's just an absolute, I mean, we're just wrecking them right now. We should probably fish this little area, too. I mean, it's a lot of pads. It's 4 to 5 feet deep. I thought it was deeper right here, but then I started seeing some pads when we got Danny's snag up shallow, so I was like, you know what, shit, we better stay up here. All right, guys, you know what? That's gonna do it for today's video. I mean, it was kind of, hell broke loose. Not on our boat, we were fine. We were actually the only ones catching fish because one of the other boats that came in here, the motor broke in this lake, and we are very, very far from our cabin. So luckily, my dad and my brother saw them, towed them back to here where the rocks are, where we go back to the main lake. And then they found us and told us that they were going to go back and bring them back and get them a new motor and stuff. So feel kind of bad for them, but you know, we ended up catching some fish. We found that one really good spot, the water coming in. We found the pike, and that's what we try to do. We try to find pike. We didn't find anything crazy in size, but we found numbers, and we had some really cool action with them hitting it really close to the boat. We had so many follows, and it was really cool. It was really eventful. It was just that was a lot of snakes. Our best pike might have been 2 that were like 25, something like that. So not saying much. Couple nice walleyes too, but we caught some fish, and I think it was really a unique experience going up to a different secluded lake that you can't get to all the time. But this water is like unusually high, so that's why we were able to get up here. So it was super cool to do it for a day. But we're gonna head back to the main lake. Probably, obviously, spend the rest of the day fishing, but probably won't be filming the rest of it. But I will have the camera just in case something crazy happens. We hook a big one, the camera will be out. I do want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys did enjoy that video, please hit the thumbs up button down below and the subscribe button if you're new here. Join the channel. We're around like 11,300 subscribers, so thank you so much for the support. This was the 3rd Canada video, and we got plenty more pumping out. This is our first full day here, so we're gonna do a lot more fishing. We're starting to figure out the lake more and figure out the fish more, and it's only up from here. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And let's take a look at the scenery real quick. Look how beautiful this place is, huh? Absolute gorgeous. And we got a whole nother 4 days here, something like that. So thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.